sale mandatory, work to ensure that single-use plastic products cannot be provided free of charge at the point of sale.
And just quickly, we have now forced program, as I mentioned. The last one you see here includes in the life regulation, so we have projects on waste, air, water, soil, and circular legislative program. So it's as well to support the development, implementation, referring to the Emerald Network. So Emerald Network is a network of area of special conservation interest, and for the of course, and with the objective of climate neutral and resilient society.
No, not yet. It's EU.
On integrity project, again, not to insist too much, just maybe to mention the Malopolska project in the sense that it's a project that is on air, because the objective was to facilitate only exclusive program dedicated to environment conservation and climate action. So we have many other, again, they refer to the directive. And as the country do not have, of course, always this directive, what we have agreed.
Whether you want to participate in this program or whether you choose others. On that note,
I'm saying nature and biodiversity, of course, very often it has an impact on agriculture. So all this is what we need. So for us, it's all the same, and it means that for us, we consider the negotiation.
And to bottles of up to 3 liters. And the second part are and cups, food and beverage containers made of expanded polystyrene. All single-use PET beverage bottles of at least 25% and a target for 2030 of at least.
Congratulations on the protection of the last remaining wild river. Now, any questions on life?
Many. Thank you.
A few, general words on the life regulation. Slightly, to the effect that I think is very important.
And recycled content in all single-use plastic beverage bottles.
We'll dive into the substance of our meetings, our presentations, and I would like to pass the floor to you.
On our paper meeting. So thank you very much once again. I wish you all a very successful meeting. Thank you.
On that, and it means that even if you don't participate, I think it will be very much interesting because it will give some idea on the
and interesting. We have 2 questions regarding the life. First of all, just to inform that we are in process to inform
which will be taken. This is an example of what we go in our accession negotiations with you.
Was made clear or explained afterwards with regard to the access to the funding.
I would say is in line with the benefit it can get. And for life, the idea is that we
products at the point of sale mandatory, work to ensure that single-use plastic products cannot be provided free of charge at the point of sale.
Also, with regard to the, let's say, an inventory of the